Hello,
Hello,
kids.
kids, and welcome to the Funny Bunny Show. I am Funny Bunny.
No, I'm Funny Bunny. I'm Funny Bunny.
Everybody
No, I'm Funny Bunny. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. I am Funny Bunny. Everybody knows that. I am Funny Bunny. No, I am Funny Bunny.
It's because he's funny and he's funny. He's funny. He's a bunny.
Bunny. I am Funny Bunny. Don't listen to him. Oh. So what are the kids going to learn today?
So since I'm Funny Bunny,
You're not Funny Bunny. What are the kids going to learn today?
about humidifiers and why it's important to have a humidifier when you have a musical instrument.
What's a humidifier? First tell me.
So it humidifies the air.
So it releases moisture into the air, right,
Yep.
kids?
And also,
And how do you know if the air is...
And this is a hygrometer.
A hygrometer, what does this do?
It tells you how much water is in the air. So now,
How much humidity? Yes, how
now
much water?
45%.
45 what?
Percent.
Percent humidity. Okay.
46 now.
46. Is it 45 or 46? Is it broken? If it's broken, throw it in the garbage. We
No,
don't
it's
need
not
it.
broken.
Well, now it says 47. This is broken. Put it away. Put it away. Put it away.
No,
I don't want it.
no,
I don't want it.
no,
It's
it's
broken.
normal. It's normal.
Okay. It's
So
normal.
it just,
That's
it
46.
just,
It always keeps changing. Okay, I get it. Okay.
guys, it's normal. It's just to it always just changes. Funny, but you get it now.
I got it. Okay. So now, that tells us how much moisture is in the air.
Yeah, and it keeps on changing.
Okay, fine. And a humidifier humidifies the air so that the air is not too dry. Really? Okay. So now, tell me, what happens if the air is too dry? Don't touch me anymore. Okay, what happens if the air is too dry? What happens to a musical instrument?
So,
Oh, what is this? A violin? Okay. Oh! It's broken!
That's what's happening.
You should throw that in the garbage too!
No, it's possible to fix, and that's actually good news.
What's good news that it's broken? How can that be good news?
No, we could just fix it easily by putting hide glue.
Hide glue?
And hide
Where
glue-
do you hide it? Where do you hide it?
It's from animal hide.
Oh, I get it. Okay. So, you mean if the glue was too strong, then the glue joint wouldn't come apart when the violin gets dry, and what would happen to the violin?
So, if there's these musical instruments are so sensitive.
Right?
If there is too much, if there is too strong glue.
If the glue joint is too strong?
Yeah, the
yes.
wood could crack.
Okay, because it has nowhere to expand and nowhere to contract, nowhere to go. Really? Is that it?
Yep.
Right, so the glue joint has to be kind of weak so that it can...
And also, best for
I don't want to see this broken thing anymore.
No, it's not broken.
Okay.
It's not broken. So
subscribe.
I just wanted to let
Thumbs
you
up
know.
And see you next time.
I
don't want to see this.
I just wanted
I
to
don't want to. I don't want to. Not anymore.
So kids,
Let's go.
So what is good is between 50 and 55.
Right, 55. Okay. Goodbye, kids. And remember to get a humidifier if you have a violin or any other musical instrument so that your musical instrument doesn't dry up and crack. Bye-bye.